Hello everyone, welcome back. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to sit in front of this camera. I literally just wrapped up my review of the Noodles Nail Polish Valentine's Trio. If you haven't seen that review, I'm gonna throw it up in the iCard so you can click on that and check it out, and I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description box. I am so pumped. I am so pumped to be back. 2022 was a year of experience. I feel like I lived a lifetime in those 365 days. Like seriously, it feels like, I don't know, like 60 years in just that 1 year. I learned so much. I did new things. I got involved fostering children, specifically got hooked in to do kinship care, which is family, to foster family. That was an adventure. And let me tell you, there were days I did not think I was gonna survive, but you know what? I'm here and I feel good. I feel refreshed. I feel like I can get back into the things I enjoy because time was scarce. That was rough. So if you guys have any questions about foster care, how it works, or I don't know, maybe you're curious about it. If you guys are interested, you can ask me some questions and I can do another video. But today I want to share with you what I've been picking up, because let me tell you, in the past few months, I've definitely been taking advantage of going shopping and the little extra time that I have on my hands. I went to TJ Maxx. I ordered some things on Amazon. What else? Sally's. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff here. So let's just jump into the TJ Maxx. First, I picked up a few polishes. So in my local TJ Maxx, mostly they carry Orly's and OPIs. There are the rare Essie's, Morgan Taylor's, and what is the other one? Deborah Lippman's. They also have some other brands that I'm not familiar with, and I just choose not to pick those up. But I'm definitely interested in Orly, and so I picked up a few of those. The first one here is Your Blushing. It's kind of an odd name because I don't really feel like this is a blush color. This is definitely more of like a dusty grayish kind of purple. This was super popular. I want to say 2010. I can't remember what the polish was called, but it was from Sephora by OPI, and everyone had it. This one does differ though, because the formula on this is actually more of a jelly, which I wasn't expecting going into it. I did think I was gonna like it a lot more, but on my nails, I kind of felt like it just didn't work for me. It kind of clashed. It didn't give me that boost that I was looking for, so I might just go ahead and pass this on. But I mean, the price wasn't bad. It's not a bad polish. I think it's gonna look great on somebody. I think objectively looking in the bottle, it's a very pretty color. I just don't feel like it does it for me against my skin tone and on my nails. The next one is Rose Colored Glasses. This is a My Nails But Better kind of color, and I like that look. I like that nude kind of look. I don't know what it is. I used to love those neon. Listen, I do. I'm not even gonna lie. But I never found myself super attracted to this kind of shade. I kind of almost felt like it was wasteful, but I'm at that stage in my life where it's like, no, sometimes I just want a clean manicured look without a distracting color, and you don't have to worry about application so much, right? Because I mean, it's pretty sheer, but it looks good. It makes your nails look good. I think it would complete an outfit, if you know what I mean. And the last OPI I got from TJ Maxx is just a white. The formula is fantastic on this. I have no complaints. I'm not devoted to any white. I just want a white in my collection. I know that I like the OPI brush, so that's why I picked this one up. I have no complaints, and quite frankly, in the future, if I needed a white, I would pick this up if I went through it. Now we're gonna move into the OPIs that I picked up. Speaking of whites, we'll just dive into this one. I picked up SUZI Chase's PORTU-GEESE. This is one that I actually do own, but I cannot find, and if you looked at my desk, you would understand why. I had a good experience with it. It was sitting there, and I was like, you know what, let me pick it up, because I remember enjoying this. I picked up another. I know there's another one out around here somewhere, like I said, but if that's the case, then I guess I'll just have two, right? I have a backup now. Here is Mary and Ice. This is from the holiday collection from OPI, and this is the one that I really, really wanted. I saw it in Ulta, but I refrained in hopes that it would pop up in a TJ Maxx, and it did, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's a pink. It's got some iridescent glitter in there. Really, it just kind of shifts to like a gold, and it's so cute. I don't know, it's perfect for the Valentine's season. If you're going on a date, if you just feel extra girly, I just think it's so cute. I'm really pleased with it. I was super excited when I saw it, and I'm still excited after having used it. The formula's good, opaque in 2 coats. I don't know, it's super cute. If you don't have it, you've been thinking about it, you like the color in general, it's got a good formula. I see no reason not to. And the last one I got is another My Nails But Better kind of shade. This is OPI's Baby Take a Vow. It's on the more pinky side than Orly's Rose Colored Glasses. I mean, it's a pink. Do I need a reason? really my reason is that it's pink and it looked cute and the name is nice, like. Then I placed an order with Orly because Carolyn from Nail Inconveniences, am I saying that right? I feel like I've said it wrong for so many years. I'm gonna leave a link to her Instagram down below. She was posting swatches of Orly's Valentine's Day trio and I was like, shut up. Are you serious, Orly? I did their subscription box last year and to be honest, I was for the most part disappointed. I think the price is good, but for me, it's like, I don't want to spend that money on stuff that I'm not really enjoying. I mean, that last collection from Orly, I never even tried. I looked at the bottles. They look great on everybody else, but they don't excite me. They don't do it for me. And so I didn't renew this year. I've seen the spring collection. I'm still disappointed. There's one color in that collection that I'm interested in. I don't know. Anyways, we're not here to talk about that. One thing I do wish though is that this was in their subscription box. This trio is so cute. Seriously, so cute, and I couldn't pass it up, so I picked it up. I've already done swatches. I am gonna post a review on it. This up. So this first one is a Wink Wink. It's like a pastel neon pink, and the formula is fantastic. I need to just save that for later, but the formula is great if you're curious. The next one is Sup. This is a jelly pink with holographic glitters in it, and then the last one is the topper, which is Let's Go Girls. It's got neon pink, purple, and holographic glitters in a clear base. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's been a while since a full collection from Orly has excited me, and the fact that this is a full collection full of pinks, oh my gosh, straight to my heart. Orly, straight to my heart. It just, I love it. So I put the trio in my cart and it said that I needed like $8 more or something to get free shipping. I was like, darn it. Let me see how much shipping is. $4. Like, I'm not paying $4 shipping. I don't care what you say. I'm gonna spend an extra $10 on a polish. That's how my mind works. So to make it free shipping, I picked up Soul Sister. This is a rose gold. I have a lot of polishes in my collection that would be like a pink gold. There's Rage, which I feel like back in 2012, people were calling her rose gold. It kind of looks bronzy to me. I don't know if my bottle's changed. I really don't know, but this is the rose gold that I was thinking of when seeking a rose gold, at least in recent years, and this hits the spot. It's got a foil formula, which is my favorite, so it looks like crushed metals on the nail instead of like your standard metallic or shimmer that leaves streaks. Nope. It's so pretty. So I wanted to try something new and I posted about this on Instagram. I asked you guys about Bliss Kiss's nail oil and if it was worth the money. And let me tell you, the results were unhelpful to say the least. It was like 52-48 in favor of Bliss Kiss, and I was like, what the heck? This is not the results I was looking for. And I received a message from Maureen telling me that actually the next day they were going to be posting, or they were going to be hosting, their anniversary sale. And I was like, oh, shut up. Are you serious? And then I got a message from Caroline and she's like, hey, here's the coupon code. There's an extra 10% coupon code that you can stack on top of the sale. I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Like, this is actually happening. And I felt like, you know what? I picked up a half-ounce bottle and I got a nail oil pen. I've basically gone through the whole thing. I'm obsessively oiling my nails. Like, I've run into the problem. Like, I neglected my nails so much last year that my nails were like peeling, constantly peeling. They've been looking a lot better lately, and I've been obsessively applying the Bliss Kiss nail oil. So I picked that up and then I was like, you know what, I'm going through this and I feel like I need to pick up more. If I'm gonna do that, I need to do it during the sale. Like, it just makes sense, right? And so I went ahead and I picked up the 4-ounce bottle and I got 3 of their squeezy nail brush pens, and I'm pleased. I picked up the scent Pink Sugar. I love this scent. It does have like a cotton candy scent. I did also pick up their sample pack, and let me just tell you, no. Everything, no. Nothing smells good except for the Pink Sugar. If I were to pick another one, it would be the unscented one, quite frankly. But my original order included the Pink Sugar scent, and when I was wearing it, people around me were like, what does that smell? It smells so good. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's my cuticle oil. That made me feel good, you know, when people compliment the smells of things. So I picked up this whole bottle. I am pleased. I don't know that I'm going to get through all of this. It does have a shelf life of 9 months. I don't know if it's going to take me 9 months or 6 months. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I don't regret it. I mean, it is on the pricey side, but I was thinking about it. I spend $13 or $14 on the CND nail solar oil, right? I spend like 13. This one is messy. Oh my gosh. But I spend $13 or $14 on this, and I mean, this is a ½ ounce, this is a 4 ounce. It came out, oops, it came out to a little less. I can't remember the math, you guys. I did the math. It was not $14, okay? So it just made sense to me. Go ahead, pull the trigger. I've been enjoying the little one that I got, and I'm just about through it. I did go ahead and fill up one of these nail oil pens. Actually, I got it right here. So I fill it up, like not fully. The instructions kind of warn you that it'll like kind of leak if you do that. So it comes with this tip, which you can use to push back your cuticles. And then it has the brush, and all you do is you squeeze the bottle itself, or the little tube itself, and you apply it to your nails. And I like it. It doesn't leak. I have purchased the clicky oil pens from Amazon before, mixed up my own oils and used them, but in my experience, those I could only reuse so many times. So with this one, all I have to do is like pop off that top, and it'll come out really easily, whereas the click pens are not intended to be reused, but you can, and in my experience I found them to start leaking in my bag, and so that wasn't really something that I wanted to do. I mean, even if I were to never pick up the Bliss Kiss nail oil again, I'm definitely going to be reusing these. If I lose them, something happens, like I can see myself ordering more of just the pens empty, because they work so well, and I've been using it for 3 weeks or something now. I don't know how long it's been since their sale, but it's been, you know, I've had some time to work with it, and I've carried one in my bag. I've left it in my car. It's frozen, and I mean, I've kind of put it through a lot, and I've just been really enjoying it. Then I placed an order with Amazon, or on Amazon. This was an impulse, okay? I was scrolling the Instagram, and this girl started playing gel tips, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need them. And so I just hopped on the Amazon and I grabbed this pack. This is a bundle, so it comes with these clippers, right? These are for false nails. Looks like dog clippers, you know what I'm talking about. It comes with nail tips. I got the almonds because, I don't know, I was in the mood to try something new. Listen, I wear my nails squoval, or I'm gonna say squoval, and I did this. I should have probably got the ballerina ones, but here we are. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it. It comes with a nail file, and then it has this. It's like a, they call it a nail glue, but you have to cure it, so I think it's just gel. And then it comes with this like cute little lamp, so you can do one nail at a time. It senses when you put your finger in there, right? It does come with a cord. It's not connected, so that's why the light's not turning on. But you just stick your finger in there, and it senses you, and it turns on. And I thought that was like the coolest thing. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think that's everything. If not, I can always haul it later. I've just been relaxing and enjoying myself lately. Reading. It's been so long since I was able to sit down and really immerse myself in a book, and it just feels so good. Feels so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!